Introducing Winmate's multicolor healthcare display, purpose-built to meet the demanding needs of modern clinical environments. Winmate's healthcare display delivers true 4K resolution on a 32-inch panel, offering exceptional clarity for accurate medical imaging. Equipped with projected capacitive multi-touch technology, it enables intuitive interaction with medical software, even while wearing gloves. An anti-glare coating and wide viewing angles ensure consistent image quality from any position, supporting collaborative teams and multidisciplinary care. The display combines sleek design with clinical practicality. It features a fanless plastic enclosure for silent operation, is VESA mount compatible, and functions reliably in environments ranging from 0 to 35 degrees Celsius. Its versatile connectivity supports multiple video sources and includes an IR remote controller, offering seamless integration and control in any medical setup. What sets this display apart is its imaging excellence and user-centric design. The ultra-high-definition visuals are ideal for medical training, imaging, and diagnostic review. Clinicians can zoom, annotate, and switch views effortlessly using the responsive touch interface, streamlining workflows and minimizing interruptions. 5 programmable function keys provide quick access to brightness controls, image presets, and input sources, keeping the focus where it matters, on patient care. Designed with healthcare environments in mind, this display is fully certified to meet international standards for medical electrical equipment, ensuring safety for both patients and clinicians. Its IP65 rated front panel resists dust and water splashes, which is critical for maintaining sterility in medical environments. Its DICOM standard makes it easier and safer for doctors to share and access medical images, helping them diagnose and treat patients more effectively. The antimicrobial housing actively inhibits bacterial growth, reducing cross-contamination risks, while the flat, white surface is easy to disinfect, supporting stringent hospital hygiene protocols with minimal effort. The multicolor healthcare display delivers measurable benefits across a range of clinical environments. In patient care units, the intuitive touch interface provides immediate access to patient records and vital signs at the point of care, supporting faster and more informed decision-making. For clinical diagnostics, the display's reliable color reproduction ensures accurate interpretation of imaging. Medical training rooms also benefit greatly from high-resolution imaging, which enhances interactive, hands-on learning experiences and enables highly realistic simulations that better prepare students for real-world clinical practice. Beyond the hospital grounds, the display proves equally valuable. In research laboratories, it enables high-resolution data visualization, and in telemedicine, it facilitates high-quality remote consultations. At Winmate, technology meets safety. Our healthcare displays are built to meet the highest healthcare standards and are designed for easy integration and maintenance in any clinical environment. Trusted worldwide, professionals can rely on Winmate for reliability, innovation, and performance. With Winmate's multicolor healthcare display, you're investing in technology that enhances patient outcomes and streamlines clinical workflows. Thank you for listening. For more information or inquiries about our products, feel free to contact us. Winmate is here to help you select the right device for your industrial needs.